Kamusta?
Okay lang po, ma'am.
Okay lang. Nervous? Wala.
Sobrang nervous po.
Okay, sobrang nervous. How about you, Jessie?
I'm
Okay. So, bago ang lahat, okay, dito muna tayo sa hashtag swak sa pagtulungan. Ano ang iyong ideya sa salitang hashtag swak sa pagtulungan?
Swak sa pagtulungan is a word that every student is from Hinatilan National High School to educate, to lift up others, and to help one another. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. How about you? Okay, proceed na tayo sa ating final question. Please pick your question, candidate number 5. Okay, candidate number 5. Can you share an experience where you helped promote teamwork or harmony in your school or in school? Can you share an experience where you helped promote teamwork or harmony in school?
Thank you for the wonderful question, ma'am. So, that time when I promote a wonderful team, when all my teams are naturally can't understand each other, they went wild and they get furious about the situation they're up to. So I tell them that you should respect each other's opinions and understand each other so they can understand, so they will know what they do and what should they work on to help the team to win. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, candidate number